Hey, so what happened was on the way back, at the Honda shop, Vaz picked up a nail in his back tire, new back tire too, Shinko 7077. So we plugged it and we got him back to the house, and this is what we're in the middle of right now. He's got it, man. Look at it.
I just popped the rest of the bead out.
Good?
Yeah, I was filling it up and all of a sudden, bam, scared me. Sounds like a Harley.
So how long you, pardon me, sir, but how long you been in the business?
About 5.5 minutes.
5.5 minutes? What are you talking about? Looks to me like you got this thing professionally. What'd you find when you got in there?
Corrosion and garbage.
No, seriously, you did?
Seriously, yeah.
Seriously, you did?
Yeah, Cycle Gear Tucson gets a big flat F.
And so did you take the time and clean that up?
We took the time and cleaned it up.
You got it all cleaned up?
Yeah.
And how did the mounting go? Pretty good?
God, piece of cake. How could it be so simple?
Did you have to use a 5-pound beater to beat it on or anything like that?
No, just some cowpuck muscle.
We are having an absolute riot here. It just turned out to be a gorgeous day. I think we're down by about 15 degrees, 10 degrees, something like that.
At least, and it's drier, a lot drier. It's so humid. I'm an Arizona guy, and I can't stand the humidity anymore.
Well,
I'm not getting any farther than 32 because I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing.
Well, yeah, you gotta let the air pressure build up.
Okay.
Here, come here a minute. I want to ask you some more questions. All right.
Don't push. I'm trying to hold it up.
Okay. You got the wheel.
I got the dial.
You got it. Okay. All right. Now I want to know if you came across a guy sitting out in the desert with a flat tire that needed help, would you stop and help him?
I now know how.
You got to talk louder because this all this thing to hear.
I now know how. So yes, of
no,
course
you knew how anyway, but now it's like
it's easy.
It's easy.
I have the Buckster secret tips right here.
Nah, I'm keeping my secret tips. This guy's got it, man. Real nice. David, excellent piece of work. In my opinion, excellent piece of work. Excellent piece of work. So he's going to Dynabeads. How many ounces of beads did you put in there?
Dos.
Now he's going speaking German on it. That's 2 ounces. 2 ounces of beads.
I don't think that's going to work, but I'm just a skeptic. I've always been a weight guy from 40 years. Perfect.
We're there. I hold the tire, reach up and throw that red switch up there on top. All right.
Now we can talk again.
There's a bug on my... So
if
far,
that had been me, it would have just blown my arm off.
So far, hey, was that an awesome breakfast that we had this morning?
That was good. What was that place? Steak and Eggs?
Steak and Egger on M120.
And Dawn is a beautiful waitress. She is good.
Was her name Dawn?
Dawn.
Yeah. I know she got rich off it.
Yeah, well, she deserved every bit of it.
Yeah, she did.
She was really attentive.
The reason why he says that is because where was she from?
She was from Scottsdale, Arizona.
Scottsdale.
Yeah, but she loves Minnesota. She loves Michigan, but she hates the winters here. But she loves the green, loves the lake, loves her 4 seasons. Just hates the snow.
but notice she was from Arizona.
Yeah.
And Vaz.
And that's rare.
Yeah.
Going from Arizona to Michigan.
Right.
That's rare.
And Vaz, while we were talking to her, taking her order and stuff, Vaz found out she was from Arizona, and then found out she was how far from you?
About 5 miles.
About 5 miles. So Vaz is talking
She's
about...
on the same street that I was on.
And he's talking about street names and corners and this and that. And she's like, yeah, and I'm like, my gosh. What?
Small world.
Small world. So can you tell we're all covered with sweat, but now we have
sweat and grease. And got knuckles. Oh well. The brotherhood of grease. That's what we are.
We be geezers. But we be greasehead geezers.
Yeah. What did Pat call me? Oh heck, I'm sorry, I can't remember. But something motorcycle geezer, rider geezer, geezer rider.
Geezer rider.
That's what she called me. Geezer rider.
Geezer rider.
I was complaining in the hotel room because I ached after putting in a very long day, and she said, "Oh, you're just a geezer rider."
You know what? You know what?
That's smart of her.
Let me tell you a little secret.
Yeah.
I think I got a red ant biting my side right now, my left side, right down there on that left side. Do you see a bug on my, right about in there somewhere?
No.
Okay. I felt like I had something sinking its teeth in me.
Yeah, no.
And both of Vaz's hands were up here on this tire, so I knew it wasn't him pinching me. All right.
I'm not hungry. I ate breakfast.
All right, what do we tell him, Baz? We tell him, get out and ride. Ready?
Yeah.
Get out and ride.